What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me in another video. As you can see, this is going to be another unboxing video. So the very first box is going to be my very first pair of Chuck Taylors. I ended up finding it on TikTok. One of my fellow resellers ended up posting this, and we came out to a price of $60. So you're going to be surprised on the pair of Chuck Taylors that I ended up finding. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Miguel. I go by Ebay Resales here on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And currently, we're sitting at about 905 subscribers, so if you like these type of unboxings or shopping spree videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and help me get to that 1K goal. Now this box here, you're gonna be surprised. I ended up picking this one from eBay. It's a total of 3 items in here from RRL. That's one of Ralph Lauren's collection that's pretty pricey, but you're gonna be surprised once again on how much I picked these 3 items up from eBay. The reseller that I got these from on TikTok, his username is Kerosene. He wrapped them up with some of this cardboard paper. Now, I am already expecting on doing a cleaning on these, but for 60 bucks, I couldn't go wrong. These are going for about 200 bucks, brand new, so 60 bucks is not a bad price for these. Size 9, an overall good condition, just requires some cleaning. But here they are, guys. And if you know, you know. These are the Converse Comme des Garçons, or CDG. Dirty on the bottom. The mitts and the toe cap still have the glossy finish to them. So it just requires a small little cleaning to these. That's the right one, here's the left one. The bottom. Overall in great condition. It has a scuff right here. I should be able to get this off with the magic eraser if just a regular scrub doesn't work. And same thing on this midsole here. The toes are not that bad, but overall the canvas is in great condition. The hearts, this one has a minor little scuff here that should be able to be taken away with just a cleaning. All right, so once again, guys, I picked these up for $60. That's including free shipping, so $60 total. I was able to Zelle them, and he was able to get them to me within, like, I think next day. Very fast shipping. So Kerosene, I do appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think. Was this a steal? All right, next box. So I got 3 items here. They were all RRL. And once again, that is one of Ralph Lauren's pricier labels right now. And I got this steal from eBay. I was able to find this seller that had 3 shoes, RRL shoes. I sent them a, what I would think, a reasonable price for all 3 shoes to get them off of their hands, and they countered back. But at the end, we ended up agreeing to a total of $200 for 3 pairs of RRL high top shoes. So let's go ahead and check them out. All right, the first pair, which is probably gonna be my least favorite. Once again, so these are new, but no boxes, which is okay. But here you go. Similar style as the Chuck Taylors. This is like a brown with reddish brown midsole and soles. Very similar canvas. I think the Chuck Taylors are a little bit thicker though. But this is the first pair. These came out after taxes and everything to about 67, 68 bucks a piece. So not a bad deal, especially when these are going for, I believe, $200 for the high tops on Ralph Lauren's website. And you can't find those at the outlet stores. You can only find them online or secondary market. Next item. I think for having a store on eBay, they should have better packaging though. All right, so we're looking at a pair of olive green. Once again, they're all gonna be new condition, just no box. But this is a pair of their olive and the black midsole. And you can see right here, they have the RRL stamp on the side. So it seems like these have just been stored. A nice little dusting, and these will be looking like new. And then the ones that I've been looking forward to are the indigo color. Here you go. RRL on the back and the bottom. These have similar color as the Chuck Taylors, just not as glossy. These will require a little bit of cleaning, and seems to be probably just from being stored. That was in the description, so I was aware of that. Same thing for this pair here, but nothing that a small little cleaning won't be able to get rid of. All right guys, so all these pretty much came to a similar price per pair, 60 bucks, about 67, 68, 67, 68, and 67, 68. Which one of these do you think is the best one out of this haul? Let me know in the comments down below. And once again, if you guys like these type of videos, these unboxing or shopping videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 1K, and we're gonna be doing a giveaway at the 1K mark. So more than likely it will be polo, so if you like polo, make sure to hit the subscribe button, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.